most of my colleagues were developers. I could see that they were happy, they were relaxed, working. They could work from home. Could work not only from home. When they travel, they could work everywhere in the world. And then they had a good salary. So I attended the open evening here in Stockholm, and they bring people who have studied before, and they were giving testimonies on how they have done. So it was easier for us because all the questions we had, they answered. The course is going good, but you have to be very passionate about it. You have to be very passionate about software. After the course, I'm planning to work a little bit, and then in the near future, I'm planning to start an online company about beauty and fashion. I'm planning to go to Africa as well, and because I know there are people who have studied software, but they don't have jobs. So I'm planning to go and create jobs for them. My name is Muthoni Macharia, and I'm a student in Code Institute.